अगर आप खुद पे श्रद्धा रखेंगे तो सब कार्य हो सकते हैं। दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ एकलव्य, वेयर एकलव्य हैज लर्न्ड एवरीथिंग ऑन इट्स ओन। सो आत्मश्रद्धायाः प्रभावः। Many of you must have seen Shraddha as a synonym of Vishwas, but it is not the case at all. According to me, Vishwas is just trust. Vishwas can be in your friend, that I trust my friend, कि वो कभी मेरे लिए कुछ गलत नहीं सोचेगा, नहीं करेगा. But Shraddha is a one step up, so level up, and it means faith. Faith is almost 100% sure thing that you trust, but with respect, with belief that it will happen for sure. We are having faith in God. Similarly, the name of the chapter is Atmashraddhayaha Prabhavah, the effect of having faith in yourself. So let us learn how to have faith in ourselves by the story of Eklavya. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूँ आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभं कुर्मः। एकः बालकः आसीत्। आसीत् इज द पास्ट टेंस। देयर वाज अ बॉय। तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्। हिज नेम वाज एकलव्य। सः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुम् इच्छति स्म। He desired to study Dhanurvidya. Now you must be wondering, what is Dhanurvidya? Is this science, commerce, arts, something like that? No. The word Dhanuhu means Dhanushya, a bow. Or Vidya is knowledge, you know that. Dhanurvidya is the art of shooting arrows using a bow. So Dhanurvidya is called Akari. अब आपको भी कुछ सीखना हो तो what is the first step? You will find one tutor. कि ऐसा कौन सा व्यक्ति है जो आपको उस चीज में कोच कर सके, सिखा सके. There are many online platforms, there are many physical centers. It depends on where you live and what is the topic you are interested in. Is it sports, music or anything else? तो एकलव्य ने सोचा कि मुझे आर्चरी यानी धनुर्विद्या पढ़नी है, तो उसके लिए the best teacher was द्रोणाचार्य. So he took the next step. एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Once he went towards द्रोणाचार्य. अवदच्च, and he said. Wherever there is agachat, avadat, starting with a followed by the verb is always lang lakarah, past tense. What did he say? He said, "Hey Gurudeva, अहम अपि धनुर्धरः भवितुम् इच्छामि, कृपया मां स्वीकुरु." Hey Gurudev, I also want to become a dhanurdhara. Dhanu is bow and dharaha one who holds. So dhanurdhar is actually not just the intent meaning that one who holds the bow. बस ऐसे धनुष्य उठा लिया और धनुर्धर. No. Dhanurdharaha means dhurandharaha. Like that. Here it is Dhanurdharaha, a great archer, जो बहुत अच्छे से शूटिंग करता हो using the bow and arrow. कृपया माम स्वीकुरु, please accept me as a student. Okay, तो ये अपने एडमिशन कराने के लिए आए हैं towards a great tutor द्रोणाचार्य. आचार्यः प्रत्यवदत्. प्रत्यवदत् is also a past tense, but it is having one more prefix prati. So prati avadat. Replied. Acharya replied, Aham Kauravan Pandavan cha Pathayami. I am teaching all the Kaurav and all the Pandav. Aham Bhavataha Shishya Rupena Svikaram na Shaknomi. I can't accept you as my Shishya, as my student. Now there is a point to discuss here. Many of you must have heard the story opposing Dronacharya on this particular decision. As a teacher, we shouldn't be biased. We should provide education to everyone, right? But this is wrong. I'll tell you why. He is a teacher, but he is not an independent teacher. He is a teacher appointed by the palace, by the Rajakula, by the Pandava and the Kaurava. They have appointed him as a teacher, and that's why his duty is only and only to coach the Rajakula prince, not anyone outside the royal family. So he is just talking according to his own boundary. For example, if your teacher teaches in your particular school, please ask him or her, are they allowed to coach other students apart from your particular school? Most probably the answer would be no. You know why? अगर topper बनेगे, 10th topper of the city, it should be from your school, not from any other school. Okay? So that's why these rules and regulations are there for the teachers. So जिसके भी दिमाग में द्रोणाचार्य के लिए घृणा है for this point, please reconsider, rethink about it. And he is a mature boy. He has taken it very positively. परंतु आचार्यम प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत. उसे न बुरा लगा न इंसल्टेड फील हुआ कि अरे मुझे एडमिशन नहीं मिला. उसने आचार्य के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा को शिथिला यानी लूज नहीं किया. He had full faith in his guru, whether he teaches him or not. He still has respect and faith कि इनको मैं पूजूंगा, इनके मार्गदर्शन से मुझे अच्छा धनुर्धर बनने मिलेगा. So we should learn this from Eklavya. He took this positively and the Shraddha didn't become loose. The next step he did was astonishing. आपको रिजेक्शन के बाद you just drop your idea कि नहीं अब मुझे नहीं सीखना है because in my 3 kilometer radius no tutor is there to teach me. In the all online platform there is no one to teach me. आप हार मान सकते हैं लेकिन एकलव्य नहीं. सह आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एका मूर्तिम अरचयत. उसने रचना की. किसकी? मूर्ति की. किसकी? द्रोणाचार्य की. उन्होंने द्रोणाचार्य की मूर्ति की रचना की और सह प्रतिदिन मूर्तिम अनमत. प्रतिदिन डेली he used to worship this मूर्ति. प्रातः कालात् सायं पर्यन्तं धनुर्विद्यायाः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. This is ablative and this is paryantam, till. From morning to the evening he kept on practicing धनुर्विद्या आर्चरी. सुबह से शाम गुरु को नमन करते हुए. किसी को लगेगा ये पुतले को क्यों नमन कर रहा है, बट एकलव्य की दृष्टि से देखेंगे तो वो द्रोणाचार्य जी उसमें साक्षात है जो उसे गाइड कर रहे हैं. You would have called Eklavya crazy for doing this, but actually जिसको सीखना हो ना, सीखने की इच्छा हो ना, वो तीव्र इच्छा ये भी करवा सकती है. Try doing this if you want to learn something and no sources are available. Try learning on your own. Take this one step for yourself. Life बदल देगी. शनैः शनैः सह कुशलः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. See the result. शनैः शनैः slowly he became a good archer. बहुत अच्छे से वो धनुष्य से सभी बाण से वो अटैक करने लगा. जैसे अर्जुन की प्रसिद्धि है वैसे एकलव्य की प्रसिद्धि होने ही वाली है. लेकिन एकदा तस्मिन् वने, एक बार उसी जंगल में, once upon a time in the same forest, गुरु द्रोणः पांडवैः कौरवैः च सह आगच्छत्. This is not agachat. Agachat went. Agachat came. So who came? Guru Dronah agachat. Teacher Dron came. With whom? With all the Pandav and Kaurav. Okay, so he was passing by the same forest where Eklavya used to practice and used to recite. That time this incident happened that shocked everyone. एकः कुक्कुरः तान् दृष्ट्वा अभषत्. One dog, after seeing all of these new people in this land, he barked at them. कुत्ता वहां भौंका उनके सामने. अर्जुनः धनुष्यम् उत्थापयति स्म. Arjun used to just lift up his bow at that time. पहले जिसको भी गुस्सा आता था, जैसे हाथ में अगर बंदूक है तो बंदूक, वैसे उनके हाथ में धनुष्य बाण है तो वो किससे डराते थे? धनुष्य बाण से डराते थे कि चुप हो जाओ नहीं तो मैं बाण चला दूंगा. तो अर्जुन was just picking up his bow to shut this mouth of the dog. Till then something great happened. तदेव एकलव्यः बाणैः तस्य कुक्कुरस्य मुखम् असीव्यत्. Tada eva, at that time only, what Eklavya did? Eklavya asivyat. He stitched the mouth of the dog using his arrows. इस तरह से बाण फेंका कि बहुत सारे बाण इस तरह से लगे और कुत्ते का मुंह बंद का बंद हो गया. Now, would you be calling this as a cruelty towards animal? Come on, this is just a story to explain how precisely he did something. Okay? Who do you think will approach him after looking at what he did? Dronacharya etad drishtva tatra agachat tam cha aprichat. At that time Dronacharya came there, and after drishtva is after looking at everything, he came there and asked, Kaha tava acharyaha? Who is your teacher? Because you have done an astonishing, surprising thing right now. So let me know who is the one who coached you. और उन्हें भी थोड़ा तब तक शंका आशंका हुई होगी. Maybe there is some competition now, or somebody is teaching someone so great. मन में कुछ ना कुछ उनको चला होगा when he is asking this question. तदा सह द्रोणाचार्यं तां मूर्तिम अदर्शयत्. At that time, Saha, he, meaning Eklavya, Dronacharyam tam murtim adarshayat, showed Dronacharya that murti which he has craved by himself, made and prepared by himself, and he recognized himself in the murti and is again surprised, means what is going on? Why me? Then Eklavya explains, Eklavya guru shraddhayaha swashraddhayaha cha pratikam asti. So we learn from Eklavya that what is guru shraddha, having faith in your own teacher, and what is swashraddha, having faith in yourself. So he is the pratik, symbol of these two things. Eklavya asman shikshayati, Eklavya teaches us, Swayam jyotihi swayam prajnaha bhavatu. Swayam is at your own, on your own. Jyotihi, be your own light. Swayam prajnaha, be your own mind, the greatest intellect. Yadi asmasu atmashraddha asti, tarhi ka api siddhihi durlabha nasti. If we are having atmashraddha, faith in ourselves, asmasu is in ourselves, then tarhi, then ka api siddhi, no success is difficult to attain. Durlabha, the opposite of durlabh is sulabh, easy to get. You get something very easily and you get something very difficult. So it is not durlabha, durlabha nasti. Nothing is difficult to achieve if we are having faith in ourselves. Anantaram atmashraddhayaha balena saha shresthaha dhanurdharaha abhavat. By having faith in himself, he became the Shrestha, the greatest of all Dhanurdhar archer. This was the end of this chapter, but I want to ask one question. If you would like to discuss that in the comment, because I have a very different perspective from what you may be thinking. So come, let's discuss in the comment. And my question to you is, if the next episode, if you know what happened next, द्रोणाचार्य ने एकलव्य से अपने दाहिने हाथ का अंगूठा मांगा. Okay, so Dronacharya, as a Guru Dakshina, said to Eklavya that I want the thumb, right hand thumb. So please offer me as a Guru Dakshina. So was this ethical or not? Was this fair or unfair? According to you, I want to know first. Then I will reply in the comment. So let's discuss. Till then, let's go to the Abhyas Karyam. Let's start the Abhyas Karyam of this chapter, Atma Shraddhayaha Prabhavaha. First question is, pronounce the following words properly. I'll be saying each word twice. Ekalavyaha, Ekalavyaha. Please repeat after me. Agachat, went. Agachat. Shishya Rupena. There may be a struggle. आपको श और श उसमें अगर ना समझ में आए तो just focus on last sh and top of your mouth sh. Shishya Rupena. Guru Shraddhayaha. Guru Shraddhayaha. Dhanur Vidyam. Not dha but dya. Dhanur Vidyam. Svikuru. Accept. Svikuru. Dronacharyasya. Dronacharyasya. Pratyavadat. Replied. Pratyavadat. Paryantam. Paryantam. Till. Swayam Jyotihi. Visarg will capture the sound of E. Swayam Jyotihi. Utthapayati. Utthapayati. Durlabha. Durlabha. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit. First question says, Eklavya धनुर्विद्याम पठितुम कस्य समीपम अगच्छत? द्रोणाचार्य धनुर्विद्या सीखने के लिए किसके पास गए? Replace the kasya word with this. द्रोणाचार्यस्य. ओके, जेनेटिव में पूछा है, जेनेटिव में आंसर देंगे षष्ठी विभक्ति. द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम अगच्छत. He went towards द्रोणाचार्य. एकलव्य द्रोणम किम अवदत? What did Eklavya say to Dronacharya? So, whenever this type of question is asked, as discussed earlier, we'll first copy the same words from the question. Eklavya Dronam Avadat. Okay, please pay attention to half more. ऐसे हम अनुस्वार नहीं लिखेंगे because the next word is starting with swar, vowel, a. So, Dronam. उन्होंने कहा कि. So, this is yat, inverted comma. ऐसा कहा. Iti will be your last word. हे गुरुदेव, अहम अपि धनुर्धरः भवितुम इच्छामि. कृपया मां स्वीकुरु. I also want to become a great archer. Please accept me as your student. तो वो नहीं लिखा है but understandable. तृतीयः प्रश्नः, third question. द्रोणः एकलव्यं किम अवदत्? What did Dron replied or said to Eklavya? So same pattern. द्रोणः एकलव्यं अवदत् यत् that aham kauravan pandavan cha pathayami. I am teaching all the Kaurav and Pandava. Aham bhavatah shishya rupena swikaram na shaknomi iti. I cannot accept you as my student. Next question. Ekalavyah banehi kim akarot? What did Eklavya do with all those arrows? Ekalavyah banehi kukkurasya mukham asivyat. He stitched the mouth of the dog with his arrows. Please pay attention. Don't repeat akarot here. Akarot is what did he do? Kya kiya? Now we already have the kriya, verb, asivyat. asivyat लिखा है, तो no need of akarot. दो verb की जरूरत नहीं है. Next. द्रोणाचार्य एकलव्यम किम अपृच्छत? After this episode, what did he ask? द्रोणाचार्य एकलव्यम अपृच्छत यत् कः तव आचार्यः इति. I have made one mistake here. This Purna Viram should be Prashna Chihnam. So make a question mark in this. Kah tava acharyah iti. Next question is, fill in the gaps using the words given in the bracket. There are 4 words: Acharyam Prati, Shikshayati, Abharshat, Dronacharyasya. Let us read the sentence to understand कौन सा word कहाँ आएगा. एकलव्यः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुं डैश समीपम अगच्छत्, किसके पास गए? द्रोणाचार्यस्य. So this option is the first one. To study archery, he went towards द्रोणाचार्य. Second sentence, एकलव्यस्य डैश श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. तो श्रद्धा किसमें लूज नहीं हुई, फर्म ही रही. आचार्यम प्रति श्रद्धा. I'll tell you one interesting व्याकरण rule that says श्रद्धा, विश्वास, स्नेह is always in somebody, not आचार्यम like द्वितीया विभक्ति, but there is one trigger, prati. So instead of using आचार्यम प्रति, we could have wrote आचार्ये श्रद्धा in सप्तमी in the textbook, but अभी के लिए जो textbook में है वो इस तरह से है. एकः कुक्कुरः तान् दृष्ट्वा अभषत्. One dog barked after looking at them. एकलव्य अस्मान् शिक्षयति. एकलव्य teaches us what? स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वयं प्रज्ञः भवतु. Be your own light, be your own intellect. Next is a very interesting thing. Please don't just copy my sentence. Understand how to make your own sentence. And I will be writing a couple of sentences here and there by what I think right now. But please make sure to write your own sentence. I would love to read your comments and your own sentences on your own. Swayam Jyotihi, right? What we learned right now. So, own sentence. Dhanurdharaha means archer. Balakah, boy. Shishyah, a student. Kukkuraha, a dog. The simplest way to make the sentence is, these are the subject of the sentence. Just think what is the object and the verb. That's it. So, I'll be giving you many options, by the way. So, I have given you 3 options. Choose any one and then write. Ekalavyah shrestah dhanurdharah asti. You can write Arjunah shrestah dhanurdharah asti. Or Sri Ramah shrestah dhanurdharah asti. Next is Balakah. Many sentences possible. Balakah phalam khadati. You can write Grantham Pathati. Balakah Grantham Pathati. Balakah Nidram Karoti. Balakah Vidyalayam Gacchati. Anything. Balakah, a boy. Shishyah. Now what is Shishyah doing? So always Shishyah. You can write Gurum Anusarati. Grantham Pathati. और शिष्य का मेन प्रश्नम पृच्छति. Okay, any sentence from this. Shishyah gurum anusarati follows the teacher. Shishyah grantham pathati. I hope you can see this anuswar. And Shishyah prashnam pritchati. And Shishya asks the question. Next is very simple. Kukkuraha. You can write same word kukkuraha followed by bhashati. कुत्ता भौंकता है. You can write कुक्कुरः भ्रमति. घूमता है. You can write कुक्कुरः रोटिकां खादति. You can write कुक्कुरः गृहं रक्षति. Okay, so भौंकता है, घूमता है, रोटी खाता है, घर की रक्षा करता है. Anything. Okay. इसके सिवा कोई अच्छा सेंटेंस आपको खुद बनाना आ जाए ये देखने के बाद तो प्लीज कमेंट. ओके. उचित अनुचित कथन के आगे आम और न लिखना है. ट्रुथ और फॉल्स. एकलव्यः ईश्वर श्रद्धायाः प्रतीकम अस्ति. न, क्योंकि वो किसका प्रतीक है? गुरु श्रद्धा और आत्म श्रद्धा. हाउ टू हैव फेथ इन गुरु एंड योरसेल्फ. ईश्वर की यहाँ पे बात नहीं हुई है. एकलव्यः बाणैः कुक्कुरस्य मुखम असीव्यत्. एकलव्य ने बाणों के साथ कुत्ते का मुंह सी दिया. आम. सत्यम कथनम. सच है ये. आचार्यं प्रति एकलव्यस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. फर्म फेथ है. शिथिल लूज नहीं हुआ, तो ये भी सही कह रहे हैं। द्रोणाचार्यः एकलव्यस्य शिष्य रूपेण स्वीकारं कर्तुं न शक्नोति। सही बात है, he cannot accept him as a student। सही कह रहे हैं, इसलिए हम आम लिख रहे हैं। अस्तु, let's move on. Next question. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the root verb, meaning the mool dhatu given in the bracket. Here, the concept is there is the last word ichha is common. Whenever we want to do something, we have to add one suffix called tumun pratyaya. So let us learn using these examples. सह धनुर्विद्याम पठितुम इच्छति, तो ये जो पठ है उसमें ई की मात्रा ऐड हुई एंड देन मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग तुम ऐड हुआ। ई इज ऑप्शनल, कुछ मेन रूट में वो यूज होगा, कुछ में डायरेक्टली तुम का अलग अलग वर्जन यूज होगा। तो द मीनिंग इज वो धनुर्विद्या पढ़ने के लिए चाहता था। He desired to learn. So this means to learn or for learning. सह अध्यापकः भव, add e and tum, भवितुम इच्छति। Everywhere just pay attention, write half more because there is e, vowel है आगे। तो वो टीचर बनना चाहता था, to become, भवितुम। अहम रोटिकाम खाद and e, खादी तुम, अहम रोटिकाम खादितुम इच्छामि, I want to eat चपाती। भवान उद्याने चल, चलितुम इच्छति वा। This is a nice way to form a question. क्या आपको करना है क्या? आपको चलना है क्या? आप उद्यान में चलना चाहते हैं क्या? So one is a very nice way to talk when you want to ask question. We are talking about Dhanurvidya, to become a great Dhanurdhar. So we should at least know how to draw a Dhanushya on your own. So let's do it. I have 3 samples. I'll draw and please you also draw something. I know a simplest trick to draw is having these 2 dots and you just do like this, but I'm not sure. Let me try to draw it beautifully. Okay, and this is my string. So this is Dhanushya. You can do different types of Dhanushya, and if there is also arrow, then I know how to draw arrow. And I'll paint it here. And then this will be the simplest bow and arrow that we can draw. I hope there is something about having faith in yourself and your teachers that we learn from this chapter. Have fun and keep learning. Dhanyavadaha punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.